Hello guys, I have received this professional electric nail drill for decoration purposes and I would love to share my personal opinion. So this nail drill is very nicely designed. It features very beautiful, very stylish design. It does come with a hook so you can easily attach it. So this is how it looks, very stylish, very beautiful. It is very easy to turn on. It features multiple modes and levels. So this is how it works. And this nail drill also can be used as a power bank for your phone, and it features a low noise design. So let me show you how to change the drill head. It does come with a variety of drill heads and drill bits. So you just need to turn and unlock it and then lock it. So very easy. It also comes with additional accessories right here, like a brush, charging cable. Okay, so let me show you how it works. It features very comfortable handle. And this nail drill can remove the acrylic nails very quickly, very easily. It features long battery life, variable speed control, low noise, and ergonomic design. If you're looking for a high-quality professional nail drill which is very stylish, very compact, with ergonomic design, definitely check out this product.